Welcome everyone. It is day 23. Our intention today is to reframe. So for this daily challenge, you're going to need little bits of paper or ideally just sticky post-it notes, or you can just have pieces of paper and scotch tape. That works fine, and some markers. So what I want you to do, you guys probably know by now, I am a deep lover of affirmations, and I like to use affirmations as a way to reframe some beliefs. So a really fun, simple technique on how to use affirmations and to incorporate them into your daily life is to put up some affirmations around your mirror. So what I would like for you to do today is to head on over to your mirror, and I want you to kind of gaze at yourself in the mirror and notice what the thoughts are that come up. So when you look at yourself, take in your appearance, when you think about who you are as a person, what are the thoughts, the judgments, the beliefs that come to mind? And are there any that you need to reframe? And then write it down as an affirmation. And I want you to put at least 5 affirmations up on your mirror so that every time you go to that mirror, maybe it's where you brush your teeth or get ready in the morning. I want you to be able to see those affirmations and to train yourself to think positively about who you are. Affirmations are just positive statements that we state in the present tense. So, I am worth loving. I love and accept myself exactly as I am. I am healthy and strong. These are all great affirmations. So you can just write them down on post-it notes, put them around your mirror, and really just practice reading and internally repeating those affirmations. You might keep them up all week, for a month, whatever it is. Switch them out, whatever you'd like. But today, try to spend some time and write them down and put them up somewhere where you'll be able to see them frequently every single day. Great way to reframe your thoughts. A very simple challenge. I hope you'll do it, and you can always take a photo and share it with us on social media, in our Facebook group, or just tag me in it so I can see it on Instagram. All right, thank you so much, and we'll connect again tomorrow morning.